Okay. So you got something like this, no errors. GCC build. Okay, we're done with the standard C++ library here. Let's go ahead and remove GCC, build GCC 491 quietly, and let's extract quietly binutils pass 2. For you new guys, you'll notice that if you pay close attention, that we're starting to enable certain things and not so much disabling everything. Like for example, our GCC script in the previous pass was massive and there's a lot of disables, and in the next one you'll notice that there's not as many disables. So let's see, binutils, make directory, binutils build, binutils build. Okay, and we need to say cc $LFS underscore target GCC AR equals $LFS underscore target dash AR. Ranlib is equal to $LFS underscore target dash ranlib. Binutils 224 configure prefix watch those double slashes. Prefix equals tools. Disable NLS. Disable W error with lib path equals tools lib with sys root. Okay. Okay. Make install. Now we're not done after this make install. We have to it says here now prepare the linker for the readjusting phase in the next chapter. So we have to make CLD clean the path, change that around. This takes a little bit right here, so it's good enough for me to stop the video, but the next section really doesn't take that. The next part doesn't really take that long, so I'm gonna stop the vid and catch you next one.